Where we are going?
To Kedai Chai.
We are going to Hobi Gang to get some stuff. Azam is getting a frame today. Okay, so see you later. Member tengah fikir nak beli apa. Beli apa, Zam? This is basically what happened to my drone. So the FC and the ESC got detached. The plugs, there are supposed to be plugs that is connecting the ESC to the flight controller. It was attached here, but it couldn't connect here. So what I'm trying to do now is try to fix and try to solder the points directly from the ESC to the FC to fix this. So yep. Hello! We are at our usual place, Jaya and Bukit Jelutong. With me, I have Mr. Aidil. We are here dekat Bandung and Kampung Subang, maybe Kampung Sungai
Subang Bestari.
Oh yeah, it's Subang Bestari, sorry. I misled you guys. With us, Jen Niza and Ihai. Ihai ya? Ihai, oh sorry, Ihai. Thanks.
Mana ni? Penny ya? Ingat sini.
I just came and I straight drive into that ditch. What a day. With me I have Terry FPV.
Hi.
This is Dr. Battery.
Hi. Silau.
Jen FPV.
Ni apa? BTS?
BTS lah.
Mana BTS hilang ah? Hilang.
Oh, hello. Belum lagi. Cepat lu. Hai.
Hi.